Welcome to Capitalflo, your personal financial planner app. Let me guide you with budgeting. We'll start by downloading and signing into the app. You've now entered the home page of the app. Here, tap on Plan Budget. The first step is to write down your monthly income. Next, write down your monthly expenses. There are fixed expenses and variable expenses. Tap Save after inputting your monthly finances. Take a moment to understand your financial situation. You are ready to allocate your money now. Tap on Set Budget and set a spending limit on spending categories. Tap on Save. The app also helps you stick to your budget. Tap on Reports. And you can check your spendings. Capitalflo, the financial planning of a new generation.